So hello guys, welcome to cyberzypher, and in this video we're gonna see what's new in the new release of Kali Linux 2020.4. Well, of course this version of Kali Linux does have included so many things. They have included so many new applications, new softwares for hacking, and these softwares will help hackers to grow their skills. And of course this version of Kali Linux is also not a secure version, so I recommend you to just install it in a virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware. So let's start with the installation, shall we? So the installation was the same as the previous release of Kali Linux. If you didn't see the installation process, I'll just give the link in the description box and also in the I button over there. So talking about the grub bootloader, it is the same, nothing changed in the grub bootloader. So the background and the options are same, and yeah, but one thing is missing. The boot time is taking a while. Well, it's taking a bit long to boot into the system. Okay, as you can see, the boot time is so fast. It is booting faster than the previous releases. You can see that. So this boots faster than the previous version. So let's log in with my account. Okay, so it's a bit glitchy like the previous version of Kali Linux. It is taking a while to log in. So the background of the login screen and also the desktop has changed. This is amazing. This desktop background is amazing. I love this background. And as you can see, there are so many tools added in this release. You can see that, and also the previous tools are staying inside this particular release, and also there are so many new tools which added in this release. So let's fire up a terminal, shall we? We need to make sure that all the packages are up to date and whether we are updated to the latest release and the latest version of kernels and the softwares are in the latest version. So for that, let's run an update and an upgrade. So after the upgrading finishes, I have restarted the system. Now let's fire up a terminal. You can see that this is a ZSH terminal. Well, they've included the ZSH terminal in the previous release also, but they made it as the default terminal. This is so much helpful for beginners to learn Linux. As you can see, this will show you the recommendations and your previous commands which you typed, and also you can just click the right arrow key on your keyboard for executing the previous command which you typed before itself. So this is awesome. You can see that it is recommending you all the commands. So let's run an update for make sure that this is up to date. So you can see that all packages are up to date. So let's clear and let's just type sudo bash. Okay, so this is sudo bash and clear. Okay, you can see that the icon has changed, root at Kali. It's not art, it's showing a skeleton skull symbol. So yeah, this is amazing guys. As you can see, clear. and they've included so many new features like WinKex 2.0. They've added WinKex 2.0. So you can see that the new fetch. So this is the specifications and the configuration of the system. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment, and also check our Patreon page, and bye.